In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Base44 web app into native app. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll share a few tips along the way so you understand why each step matters and how to get the best result. Start by opening Base44 in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the Apps section. This is where all of your projects live, so find the web app you want to convert and open it. You'll land in the editor for that specific app. Next, switch over to the code view. This area gives you access to your project's source files and tools connected to deployment and export. It's important because native packaging relies on how your codebase is structured and which assets are included. When you're ready, click the export icon. That's the entry point for generating the output you'll eventually use to wrap your web app as a native application. If you see an upgrade required message at this point, that just means export is a premium feature on your current plan. Don't worry, your progress is safe. Simply close the message for now and continue optimizing your app so that when you do have export access, everything is ready to go. Click Close to dismiss the prompt. Now switch gears to validation. Click Preview to open the live preview of your app inside the editor. From there, choose the mobile option. This simulates a phone-sized viewport so you can see exactly how your interface behaves on a smaller screen. This step is crucial for a smooth native experience because most of your users will interact with the app on touch devices. As you review the mobile preview, look for elements that need refinement. Ensure buttons and tap targets are easy to press, spacing is comfortable, and text remains readable without zooming. Avoid hover-only interactions, since those don't translate well to touch. Check menus, modals, and forms to confirm they open and close reliably and that critical actions aren't hidden off-screen. If something feels cramped, revisit your layout in code and use responsive styles or flexible containers to adapt components to narrow widths. Small tweaks here will save time later. Once your UI looks great in the mobile preview and you're ready to proceed, remember that the export icon is where you'll return when your plan supports it. For now, you've confirmed the structure, validated responsiveness, and positioned your Base4 app for a clean path to native packaging.